Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova and welcome in Study with Nova. So today we will solve one question. It is like before. Write a different version of exercise 7.5 and then do following at least once. Use a conditional test in while statement to stop the loop. Okay, and use an active variable. So like before, active, is it true? And then the counter for how to loop the runs, and then but we must use the break statement. I think like before true, because we must if that's always true, and then there are always looping, and the break statement to exit the loop when the users enter the quit value. If we use quit and then we exit the loop, exit the while, exit the code. So the first one, I think will always like before. Active is true. I don't know. Active if true, because true, and then build active. The meaning is while is true. While always true. This is like before, and then okay, and while true, active because, and then after while active, the first one is it is like my variable that is user input maybe, and then the user input must be what, like movie ticket, right? Sorry, I forget using this. This is same this, but okay, user input is integer, must be integer input. Oh, I mean like I don't wanna add integer first, right? I will add not integer, because if I add integer that must be integer, but I wanna add this is the first, the quite value. So this is just the input statement, input method, and then or AU, because this is will looping AU, and then what quick with to exit. Okay, because somehow this is the variable that user input, then this is the if else. If user input dot lower, why I using the lower? It is like before. If we not using the lower, the input always maybe in like not lower, so it is like make confusing. The meaning is if the user quit and then the break and then and then we will exit. This is while active, so the while will false. And then I forget, oh no, I see, because active will what the meaning false. If active is false, because they always true, so we break. I think it's easy. And then if you just add print, thank you for using this code. Thank you for using this code, quit. You just add quit and then print thank you for using the quit, and then you exit because break, right? So this is the first one, because it is trying to make quit, and then or using what the meaning, using active variable, because if it is not active is false, and then we just quit from the code. Then how it is the active is true, what do you want? We will back to this, we will back to number, but the first one is we will using try, because it's like something we try. I didn't know, somehow in using just GPT I trying not using try, but it is like more complicated. It's like making some method, using new method is, so it's it is more complicated, so I just using trying, and then okay, we add a difference of variable that is same like before, that is number. What? So the number is it true? Is it true? Oh yeah, because try is must okay, why it is false, but we must using except. Okay, the number is like a same of variable, but the number is must be in integer, because it is must be in integer. The quit is not integer because it is string, so the number is integer from what? From the user input. That is the user input, because okay, then from user input, right? So you have the number as user input, it is like before, it is same, and then if else it's like before, okay, it is, and then you just add this is this before. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, type. Okay, this is same, and because we're using try, we must using except value error. Make sure that somehow the okay, somehow we add like not using integer, or not using string, or just using string but not using like quit, so the output will be something. So that is the meaning of the value error. Just using a value error, then just print enter, enter a valid response like number or with, because because this is the right. Okay, the first one I will delete this, okay, there's some problem. Oh no. Active mean active true. The first one is active true. So this is quite good. Python 3, maybe a 7.6 3 exit. Okay, how old are you? Right, quit to exit. I will add 7. The ticket is 10, because it is always looping, right? How old are you? I add maybe 10, 19. The ticket is, and then how old are you? 19, and the ticket is 15. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. This is always looping, as long as you didn't using quit. But let's try using like this. Then the code, please enter a valid response, because we use try and then accept the value error, right? How old are you? And then you just using with in this using quit, and then this always quit because we using the lower method. This is the lower method. Always make quit. If we just using quit, is make a lower. That's why if we just using quit, because it is not true, but because it is using lower, and then thank you for using this code. Yeah, it is quite useful for us to like using try, and then using except for minimizing the error. And then if you want to rewrite all of the code before, and then using while active or trying using as a value error, I think it's quite good because yeah, you know, somehow the input we didn't anticipate what the input itself. It is like integer or it is string, etc. Everything. So it is quite good code to understand the step by step. So that's why. So I wanna somehow it is quit, and then let's try again. How old are you? 7. How old are you? 5. Okay, always in looping as long as you didn't add quit. But if you quit, and then you will out from the code because the code is always in make a lower method. Okay, I hope you can understand. I try as much as possible to simplify everything, but somehow I'm sorry if I mix some mistakes. So let's get it clear. Yes, you have a good code. I think it is good code. Yeah, and then git add to Python, git commit mean message that you using what the meaning using true input. There are some the first one is string, the input is quit when it is string, and the second one is integer. So that's why we different the input using string and integer input, and using try and accept. Is it good? Accept value error. Okay, my origin name. Okay, done. Let's try another questions, and then bye bye.